Look who we have today, Benny! Say hi! This is our Pug Nephew.
I think Benny's wanting a girl's day today because he's chilling with Emmy upstairs. He's not even paying me any attention until you see him. What are you up to? What are you up to? You chilling up here? With the girls? What happened to Bro Code?
I seen her in the bath, Uncle Jace, and I quite liked what I seen.
I seen that. I caught you chilling in the bath as well with my girlfriend.
Yes. Yep. See if he does too.
Oh. I think he likes his new toys.
I think he likes his new toy.
What? Oh, Benny, look at the big swan.
Oh my god, he's got the best too.
You get that swan, Benny.
Come on, will you taste some?
That big bark at him. Scare him away. You scared that swan. It's all wet. That would be like, can't leave it to my little baby out in the rain. Yes, mark that territory.
You think this is too nice game, don't you? Yes, you do. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, is that better? Yes. Benny, sit. Sit. Speak. Sit. Good boy. Good boy.
Benny, I think it's dinner time. Yummer. You ready for this? You've been waiting for this all day. What are you doing? You're just waiting to get some food. Is that what you want? So we're ending the night with another puppy.
Come on,
Little Belle.
Come say hi. Come say hi to the vlog. Hi. You're a beautiful girl.
Look at that face. See yourself.
You beautiful girl. You be good.
I think we're going to sign this one off here, aren't we?
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vlog.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.
Bye.